What is happening? Okay, I swear, I didn't steal anything.
Honey, I believe you. I believe you.
Where are you taking me? What is this camp?
It's a camp for really special people. Like you.
It's special people? What? Am I crazy or something?
No, honey, no. Percy, this is about your father. Jersey Shore when we first met. Your father was unlike any guy I'd ever seen. He was just dazzling.
They're always dazzling.
We were really in love, Percy. And then you came along, and then it was just perfect. But he had to leave.
So he did abandon us.
No, honey, he was forced to. He loved you. Leaving you, it was probably the most difficult thing he ever did.
Why did he have to go?
Because he's...
Sorry, watch out!
Percy!
Mom, you alright? Grover, you alright?
Is it me or is it raining cows?
What is that?
Get out!
Why are you taking your pants off? What are you doing?
My job.
Whoa, whoa! You're half donkey?
I'm half goat. Guys, watch out, there's glass!
Come on, get out the car! And things getting closer! You don't even need this. Look, man, that was just for show. Hey! Whoa! This way, guys! This way! Come on! Come on! Come on, run! Run! Come on! Come on! We're here! Mom, what are you doing?
This is as far as I can go.
Come on.
I can't go through. I'm not like you.
Look, I'm not leaving without you.
You have to. You're meant to.
Put my mother down!
Percy, go! You're safe inside the gate!
What can I do?
Listen, use the pen!
What?
Use Hunter's pen and click it.
Whoa!
Are you okay?
Percy, okay?
How about you? Percy!